This one caught me off guard.
A chunk of rare earth metal physically changes its dimensions when a magnetic field touches it. That property sat classified inside Cold War submarines for decades. Now it may be the core mechanism behind wings that reshape themselves in flight. The specific mechanism, magnetostrictive metamaterials, lattice structures that can reshape their geometry on command in under 100 milliseconds with no hinges or hydraulics. Lab demonstrations have confirmed strain outputs exceeding 40%. The question now is whether those results survive the jump to flight conditions. Boston University's NSF Career Award, $696,609, issued July 2026, is the clearest institutional signal yet that this field is past speculation. NSF doesn't fund curiosities. It funds fields it expects to yield deployable science. The Fuel Math Researchers Project is hard to ignore, 8 to 12% burn reduction per aircraft. Across a global commercial fleet, if those lab figures hold at scale and certification, the carbon implications are significant, though that scaling step remains unproven. The actuation principle traces to James Prescott Joule in 1842, who noticed nickel changed length in a magnetic field and filed it away as a curiosity. It took 130 years and Cold War sonar programs to turn that curiosity into engineered hardware. The insight that changed the field's trajectory, that same magnetically driven strain, architected into a precision lattice, could become a distributed actuator. No joints to jam, no discrete servo arrays, shape change propagating through geometry itself, at least in laboratory demonstrations. Researchers approaching morphing structures from biomechanics, studying trabecular bone architecture, the lattice inside your femur, found design principles that mechanical engineers had been deriving independently. Convergent problem solving across disciplines is one reason the field accelerated when it did. Nature solved continuous wing reshaping long before engineers tried. Bat wing membranes use spatially distributed muscle arrays for real-time shape control, the same distributed actuation logic that magnetostrictive metamaterial researchers are working to replicate in synthetic structures. The catch, terfenol-D requires terbium and dysprosium. China controls roughly 85 to 90% of global refining capacity for these elements.
Follow for daily signals.